Hello once again, Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. Thanks for watching. Thanks again for being here. Tonight we're going to cover another top 10 should ask question that you should be asking yourself as a trader. And this question is, how important should your trading strategy be? So in other words, it's kind of a silly question, but it's amazing how many times individual traders come into the market with no plan, no strategy, just fly by the seats type of information and markets, and they jump from a corn over to wheat and wheat over to the ES and the E-mini and then over to gold and oil. No real method or strategy developed. Now, the most important component of being a trader is definitely, hands down, your psychological makeup. And it's been said that 90% of trading is all about the head. It's the head games that we play, the fear and the greed and all the other components that we've kind of talked about and hinted towards. But once you have that down, the trading strategy by far is the most important component that you need to have in place so that you can also develop your money management, your position sizing, and your trading plan off of. If you know the criteria that's going to get you into a trade, that's going to make for a long signal or a short signal, you also know your profit targets, you know your hard stop, as we call it in our room. In other words, what's going to be your ultimate stop loss in case, and you also, on top of your hard stop, you have an account maximum loss as well that you run with. It kind of locks you out of your account. We call it the catastrophic loss. So you have your hard stop, you have your catastrophic stop loss. All those are extremely important. You have to have your profit targets. When you're entering the trade, that trade that you make, before you just say, before you press the left click button on your mouse, you should know exactly your exits on every trade. There's no exceptions. You should know where your profit targets are, where your profit objective is. If you got a rabbit or a runner on, where are you going to take that profit target off as well? You need to know what is your plan to moving with the market so that hopefully you can make the trade a free trade at some point during the trade. So in other words, don't let the trade turn against you and go negative. Have a point in time. Maybe it's a time stop, maybe it's a volatility stop, but regardless, you need to have a plan of how to go about all of these components in your trading. Your trading strategy needs to take into account all of this plus more. Now, in our room, we talk about the TCB crude oil strategy, and we're showing this step by step how to make this a successful strategy to our individual traders. In the month of March, once again, we came up with another positive month, and for this year, that's 3 months in a row with positive figures. We'd love to have you in our room at our next trading class that's getting ready to start. So I'm running a little short on time tonight. I want to take this opportunity to say thank you to those that have asked me questions. Feel free to ask me questions, make comments, leave me messages, whatever you need to do. We look forward to hearing from you. We look forward to seeing you soon inside our trading room. We'll be opening up our trading room within the next, I guess we're closing in on 30 days right now, less than a month away or so, that we're going to be reopening to a new trading class. So as we continue to work on these top 10 should ask questions, we look forward to handling your questions. We look forward to hearing from you. Once again, if there's anything that we can do to help you in your trading, just let us know here at Knight Capital Management. Once again, this is Dave Knight saying good trades, everyone. If there's anything that we can do, just let us know. All right, we'll see you on our next video. Now remember, your trading strategy after your psychological makeup is probably the most important component. Know your exits. Know your hard stop. Know your catastrophic stop loss. Know your profit objectives. Know your profit targets. Know how you're going to handle your rabbit. Know how you're going to handle event trading. Know how you're going to handle all kinds of different market scenarios. You need to know not only the best case scenario, you need to also be able to handle the worst case scenario. Hope this is some good information for you. We'll see you on our next video on our top 10 should ask questions that you should be asking yourself as a trader. We'll see you on the next one. Bye now.